So, for today's baking session, I have decided to do a voiceover, and as you can see, meron tayong muffin cups with liners. Kasalanan talaga to ni Jeho. Para sa oats natin today, meron tayong whole grain rolled oats from Quaker. Okay, based sa recipe na sinusundan ko, ang nakalagay doon na oats na kailangan ay 2 cups of oats. Pero, 1 cup lang yung inabot nung natirang oats sa akin. Then with this part, I have to soak the oats with something liquid. Pero since wala tayong fresh milk or any type of milk, water ang ginamit ko. And then for the all-purpose flour, kailangan natin ng 2 cups. Next, 2 teaspoon ng baking powder. 1 teaspoon ng baking soda. 1 teaspoon ng salt. And then we also need a 0.6 cup of melted butter. And then we also need 4 large eggs. But in this case, hindi large yung eggs namin dito. I think it's medium. And then we need 1 1/2 cup of sugar. Actually, this is supposed to be brown sugar sa recipe. Pero since matigas yung brown sugar dito sa bahay, mahirap takalin. Since wala kaming ground cinnamon, I used vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, tsaka 1/2 teaspoon. And then, it's time to add the soaked oats doon sa ating wet ingredients. And then, add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. At this point, I was actually worried kasi sobrang runny nung consistency. Unlike nung sa cookies and yung sa banana chocolate chip muffin na ginawa ko, hindi ganito yung consistency. Next step, I added a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Look at how runny that is. And sa part na to, nagtry ako mag-bake ng 2 piraso para alam ko kung ano yung gagawin ko sa mga susunod pa. It's time for the revelation. Feeling ko too much flour yung nangyari. Or overmix. Or masyadong maraming liquid. Di ko alam. What? Huh? Is this even cooked? No, it's not. Still a batter. Oh my god. Wow. Since wala akong toothpick, let's try this. Oh. Okay na. After maging successful ng 2 piraso, in this part, I started to make more. I was so glad that they turned out fine. Overall, sa process lang naman ako nito nag-worry kasi nga sobrang runny nung consistency niya. Pero sa lasa, masarap naman. Malalasahan mo talaga yung oats, yung chocolate chips, and hindi rin sobrang tamis nung recipe na nasundan ko.